What's up, Team Fullest? This is again AMIFULLEST. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So today we're here to do another AliExpress wig unboxing. Yes, I'm gonna even show you guys two wigs. Actually one wig and one weaving hair that I bought. First, let's start with the hair. It came in with normal AliExpress bag, but I've opened it just to check to see if everything is complete. So this is what the hair, this is what it looks like. Actually, this is a wig, you know, like the sewing wig. I actually bought this hair before ever I cut my hair off. So what I wanted to make with this one, I wanted to buy like I wanted to make like pony, but because the pony that I see don't really match with my natural hair, so I thought let me buy one of these 4C kinky curly wig and I can make like a pony on for myself. So that's what I did. I bought this one. The one I bought, they are 14 inches, so I bought two 14 inches. It came in this plastic bag. I bought two of them. I felt like two would be enough to make me a pony to hold when my hair grow up, when my hair grow back. Actually, when I bought it, my hair I didn't cut my hair, so I was like it would be enough to put on my head. So I bought this and it came in everything is just falling. I bought this too and it came in with a cap and a false lashes. I'm gonna put the lashes here, and the cap, I'm gonna put the cap aside. So this one I'm not gonna be using anytime from now, anytime soon. So I'm just going to put it back in this plastic and put it where I store my wig. How much did I pay for that? Because I have the account on my phone. I have my AliExpress account on my phone, so I can actually show you guys how much I pay exactly. Excuse my nose. I'm a little bit under the weather, so that's the reason why my nose is like, you know. So how much did I pay? Oh, I paid 14 inches. This is 14 inches for the hair, and this is 100% human, like 4C human hair, and I bought two. I paid 36 euros and 12 cents. I bought this one before ever the tax thing came in Holland. If you live in Europe, they have this new law when you buy stuff from outside of the EU, when it comes to whichever country you are, you're going to pay extra tax. So I've already bought these things before ever the extra tax came in the 1st of July. So I paid 36 euros and 12 cents for two of these 14 inches. And I really love it. So let me show you guys let me just get the other wig that I bought. Let me just also get let me just also get this one. So when I'm going to talk about it, it's going to be very easy. So the next wig I bought, this one is 13x6 lace front wig, short bob, Yaki. This is 150 density and it is 16 inches. So this is what this wig look like. This is like a Afro kinky, like when you blow dry. This is what my hair will looks like when I blow dry my hair. So this is what this one is looking like. This is 13x6, yeah, 13x6. So this is what it looks like. It's very natural. I really love it. I can't wait to play with it. I wanted to get like a full lace front and then make like a wig, make like a braiding wig. That's what I want to do, but I really do not have time right now. I think I'll definitely have time to do that, mostly in the winter time, because in the winter time you're not going anywhere. You're just home. Okay, work, home. No chilling, nothing, because it's cold. So I can actually have time to do that, but not on this week. So this is what this one look like. This is 16 inches, got a little bit curly upward a little bit, but that's because the way I put it when I open it. So but this is what it looks like. For the inside, let's show you guys the inside. It comes with 4 combs. You have a little bit of lace at the back, and you have a comb, and you have a comb here, you have comb here, and you have a comb here. So you have like really enough space. Like you have a lot of space here for the wig, and hair. Like this is the frontal, and then you have a lot of space. Sometimes some 13 by 6, it's like only one tiny space in the middle, but this one is kind of different. This one is really different. And like I said, this is 150 density, and I paid 111 euros for this hair. It was on sales. And also I bought this hair before ever the 1st of July rolls came in. So I bought this hair before that, and it was delivered before that. I actually bought this same hair with this one, but something wrong with the shipping. I didn't receive the hair, and I have to do a dispute on AliExpress, and that is a whole other chapter. It's a whole other story. But because I love this wig so much, I went ahead and bought this on its own, and because I really love it. I want something with the afro kinky blow dry look, so this is what I got. Now I have like a bunch of wig, so when now I cut my hair, I can actually switch it up, but I can actually switch it off, switch it, and then put wigs. But I really love the short hair. The short hair is just so easy. When you wake up in the morning, take shower. If it's necessary to do makeup, do your makeup and get out of the house. And if it's not necessary, just moisturize your face and get out of the house. I really love that. It looks really natural. But once in a while, I love to put wig. Like this week, I have been actually putting wig. I went out for a date night. I went to watch the Fast and Furious 9, and I thought, you know what, let me look different and put this wig on, and I did a quick makeup, and so it was really nice. I love it. So I'll put a picture and show you guys here what this wig look on me. A picture here, or watching my community page, I also drop a picture there for you guys. But I really love this one. It's very full, and it's very easy. I haven't had a lot of shedding or anything. It's very easy to manipulate. The reason why I don't really leave the links of hair on my videos, because I pay for this hair, okay? I didn't get any discounts, I didn't get nothing on it, and I paid for this, and I'm doing reclaimer. I'm promoting the hair for the company for free. So that's the reason why I don't really leave link on the description. I don't really do that. But if you ask for the link, I will definitely leave it for you guys. So it's not like if I get a discount or it was a sponsor post, I will be glad to leave the link. But sometimes I just forget, honestly speaking, and I'm like, ugh, I'm not going to do the extra miles. So that's the reason why. But if you're interested, most of you guys that always ask me for the link, I always come back and drop it for you guys. If you're interested, just let me know. But so far, so good. I really love this one, and it's really nice. So I do have a lot of hair right now, so I'm not planning to buy hair very soon, even though I have one hair on my AliExpress wish list that I want to buy. But when I put it on the pay, you know, when you put it on the pay thing and you're about to pay the tax that is on top of the hair, it was a little bit too much. It was a little bit too much. Let's just go like checking, and then plus tax, it was just a little bit too much. And I don't know how much I'm going to pay when the hair comes to Holland. That is also one of the thing. But I'm going to show you guys. This is a colored hair. I'm actually going out of my comfort zone. So this is what this hair is looking like. It's a colored hair, and I really want to try. I've seen great reviews. I've seen great reviews on the hair. I've seen a lot of beautiful dark skinned women rock this hair. I know if I buy something like this, not something I'm going to be wearing every single day, but just once in a while, just want to get out of my comfort zone. I do have that hair, and I do have other hair also that I have on my wish list, but because of this old shipping and extra tax thing, I also have this hair. It's a curly hair. It's like a black, but not black, it's brown. You guys can see the color. It's brown. It's very, very beautiful. I also have this one on my wish list, but this one I haven't seen any review. I've seen reviews, but I haven't seen an actual picture, and that is one thing with me when it comes to buying hair on AliExpress. People always ask me, how comes you always end up getting nice hair, you never end up buying bad hair? It's because whenever I'm buying hair on AliExpress, you always have to make sure you see pictures, reviews of people wearing it and see how the hair looks like. If you just see reviews where there's no picture, I won't advise you to buy hair from those companies, because you can get anything. You can get anything than what you see on the pictures. So that's the reason why. But this one, I haven't seen any picture review, so it's just on my wish list. The other one, I've seen a picture review, but just that the tax thing's a little bit too much. So that's the reason why I haven't really go ahead and buy it yet. And also, I also saw this really nice bob wig. I think I do have something like this, but I really love this one, something a little bit longer. So yeah, this is it, guys. This is it. And I really love this. As for this one, I'm just going to keep it till my hair grow back. And this one, I'm going to be wearing this one of these days. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my extra elastic band. I don't know whether this wig came with an extra. Yeah, I think it did. Even if it didn't, I have a lot of extra elastic band, so I'm going to add an extra elastic band to this wig, and I'm going to be wearing this one of these days, because on Saturday, I think on Saturday, I'm going for a barbecue with friends, and I think I'm gonna rock this wig. I'm not too sure. Sometimes I'm like, I'm gonna wear a wig, and when the day come, I'll be like, no, I'm going with my bald head. But yeah, guys, this is it. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, on my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. TeamFullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you all in my next video. Peace out. Bye. Vergeet niet te abonneren, en hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Bye.